Okay, I'll just show you how to delete a mobile from the Bluetooth audio system in this Volvo V70 2011. So from any screen, if you go to telephone, it's searching for the last connected phone, but I've deleted it from my mobile. So we'll just wait for it to settle. No phone connected. Connect with OK. Click OK. And now it's showing you the phones that are there. So if you turn the rotary control to highlight the phone you want to delete, and once it's on there, there's OK at the top, and then there's the red at the bottom. Once you press the red, it brings up another menu, and then you navigate down to remove Bluetooth audio device, and you can either remove all or just the one. Click OK. Do you want to remove Barry's? Yeah, I've gone through all this palaver because I don't want to remove it. So that's it. That's how you do it.